My name is Katie Hawkins. I'm a 3L at Texas A&M University School of Law, and I have been participating in the Family Law and Benefits Clinic for about a year. I was a teacher for 2 years before I came to law school, and one of my students had a couple of family members go through a really long adoption process. And because I worked in a rural community outside of New Orleans, they did not have a lot of access to justice, not only because of their geographic location, but also because of their low income. And watching these wonderful people struggle to give these two small children a good home, a safe home, made me realize that I wanted to help bridge that gap in between people who are low income and the actual justice system. And so that experience inspired me to go to law school and also inspired me to work in public interest law. And every class that I've taken and every moment that I've spent in the clinic or at an internship has really just affirmed that original goal. I have sat first chair on a protective order contested hearing where we argued for 3 hours, and I got to say stereotypical things like objection, and I got to interview and cross-examine witnesses and talk to the judge and understand what it's really like to be inside of a courtroom and all of the work that led up to that, which was a significant amount. But you don't get that experience just at any internship where what you're mostly going to be doing is writing memos, which is also a valuable experience. This is just the only place where I've been able to act like a real attorney and recite my bar card number and practice for what I'm really going to do for the rest of my career. I wouldn't trade my experience with the clinics for anything. As a matter of fact, when I read other people's accounts of this clinic, it is what really drew me in to Texas A&M's law program, and I would recommend it to anyone who's thinking about coming to Texas A&M University School of Law to definitely take advantage of the clinics that we have here.